Hey spooks, it's Haley. I know I've been away for a little while. My mental health hasn't been the greatest at the moment, but we are getting into my favorite time of year, so I thought that I would make the most of that and start doing some Halloween-y filming. It cheers me up and it gives me something to do, so we're gonna do that today. We're doing a spooky shoe unboxing. I'm very excited about it. I haven't even looked at them myself yet, so let's get into it. So these are, I ordered these from Zoomies, but I believe they're Converse. So if I can find the link to those, I will put those in the description below for you guys. I don't have very many spooky shoes, I say, but I do have witch boots, pumpkin slides. I guess I don't really have any casual day-to-day spooky shoes. I have a lot of pastel colored casual shoes. Even my creepers are pastel, so I'm very excited about these. All right. Yes, so they are Converse. Oh, that's so cute. They have a little heart. They smell like rubber. Very fresh, new shoe smell. Ah, I'm so excited. They are these slip-on Converse. I can't tell if someone's being murdered outside or if it's someone's cat. Well, anyway, kind of like the classic man style slip-ons. So it's got a bunch of spiderweb detailing on here. They are canvas shoes. And then on the back, it's got a spider in the star there, and I love her. She's so cute. Ooh, and on the inside, which I didn't even realize, it says cons, and it's also got spiderweb detailing on the inside. I love this. I am so excited. I used to love Converse in the day. It's all I used to ever wear. And then I switched to Vans. So this is great. I'm extremely stoked about this. Let's hope they fit. Because these are actually men's shoes. So I just kind of like, I think this is the size I am. Look. So good news is they fit, but they don't feel the most comfortable at the moment. So, oh, sorry, that was my cat. Do you want to say hello, Candlers? There you go, she says hi. I'm definitely gonna need to break these guys in, I think. They're quite stiff, especially the back part by the heel just feels like it might rub a bit, but I'm still very excited. They look so cute, so spooky. Lately, I've been really into the spiderweb motif sort of vibe. I recently bought a bathing suit as well that has that spiderweb, that has the spiderweb pattern on it, and I really like it. Yeah, I don't know. I never used to be really big into spiderwebs, but this year I'm super into it. This is going to be my start in my Halloween content. I'm hoping to come out with some more. I did have a couple of videos that I had filmed, but honestly, I was just too depressed in them. I didn't like how they turned out. I feel like you could tell that I wasn't at my best. Not that I am at my best currently, but I feel like I'm doing better mentally. Like I feel like I'm going somewhere somewhat. But yeah, so hopefully I will get back onto being more consistent on this channel. I've been posting quite a bit on my OnlyFans, which I will of course link in the description below. I have my free page and my VIP page where my price is set at $6.99 if you want to check out what I'm doing over there. That's mostly spooky content year-round, and that's been quite fun. That is where we're at today. I have also set up my pre-Halloween decorations. I usually start, I'm very distracted by my cat today. Kent, what are you doing? My pre-Halloween haunted mansion themed headboard going on up there that I'll show you at the end. Yeah, so if you are into Halloween like me, let me know what some of the things that you've been doing to celebrate early. So let me know what you've been up to Halloween wise or otherwise down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time. Hang in there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
And ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Creak of the tombstones quake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize when pretty ghosts come out to socialize.
Kenny says to like, comment, and subscribe. Right, baby? Right, baby?